Okay, so we have been talking about forces and motions in science, and we have talked about those visible and invisible forces. And this week we started talking about one other invisible force, which is magnetism, magnets. So we're going to take a look a little bit more closely at magnets. Let's think about magnets. What are some of the things that magnets attract? That's the question. We're going to take a look. I've got a paper clip right here, and I've got some magnets. And we're going to see what kinds of things my magnets attract. Okay, so I've got my magnet pretty far away. Does anything happen? No, it's just kind of hanging out there. But let's see what happens as I get closer and closer and closer. What happens? You can see that it is attracted to the magnet. The magnet is pretty attracted to the magnet. So let's see how far away we can be and still have it be attracted. So right here, I can start to feel it pull, and it comes up there. Anything further away, it just falls away. Okay, so we just discovered that, yes, a metal paper clip is attracted to a magnet, but we have to be semi-close to it. So if I'm right here, I can start to feel it really pulling close to it, and if I let it go, see, even if I'm far away, it goes on there. If I get too far away and I let go, it falls down. So as I get closer, the magnet will pull it. If I get too far away, it drops. Now, what would happen if I were to take my paper clip and my magnet and I were to... So what would happen if we were to take a piece of cardboard and put it between our magnet and our paper clip? So that's what we're going to take a look at right now. So without the cardboard, our magnet does attract our paper clip. We get pretty close, okay? But if I put my cardboard here, let's see what happens, okay? So I've got my magnet and I've got my cardboard. Let's see what happens. If I can get... Look, it still attracts it. It's a lot like it. So it may not attract it quite as strongly as without, whereas I can go pretty far away and it's going to be... If I can get it to line up right. And it's going to be attracted. But even with the cardboard through it, it's still attracted to it because we've got a metal paper clip. Now, magnetic force, we know it's a force, so it's either a push, a pull, or it's both. So if we look at our magnetic, is it a push or is it a pull? Well, magnetic force is pulling my paper clip towards the magnet. And that's what we're going to be talking a lot about in the next couple of weeks, is we're going to talk a lot about magnets and magnetic force. So there's a worksheet for you to work on after this. Make sure you go do that. And if you have any questions, let Mr. Rush or I know.